My goal is to help you make better videos, and one of the things that I want to talk about today is the 5-second rule. What is the 5-second rule? You need to know. Okay, the 5-second rule. Am I talking about picking food up from the ground? Oh, 5-second rule, or the 2-second rule, or hey, that potato chip, it was only there for 2 seconds, I can eat it. No, I'm not talking about that. What I'm talking about is that when you're creating videos, the 5-second rule means that you have to have a change. Something has to happen on camera, in the video. When something changes, it causes you to pay attention. The point is that the 5-second rule, or whatever they want to call it, because I know someone will complain that you're saying it wrong. The 5-second rule basically means that there's got to be a change. What that does is that our minds get bored. Let's face it, we get bored. And we need changes. Something should always be happening on camera. It sparks something. You want to find out what's going on. This is how you keep people interested in watching your video. You keep them interested with interesting facts, interesting stories. You keep them interested in the lighting, the mood of the music keeps them wondering what's going to happen. This is why music is very important. You should always have some kind of music in the background. We'll talk about that in another video, but you should always have things changing up. Maybe you don't have editing software. You can't cut the video up and change the angle so easily. Put something into the TV. Listen to me. Put something into the video. Change it up. Something people will notice. Drink something. Why on earth did he stop to drink? Exactly. I caused you to think. When you are doing something on camera, it causes people to stay interested. They want to know what's going on. When you cut up the video, if you have editing software, it helps. Change the angle. You can be talking about the same thing, but you change the angle. Something happens. Now I see you from this way. Now I see you from this way. That causes interest. That keeps the mind alert. You need good lighting, you need a script, you need to know what you're talking about, you need to do all these things. But in the back of your mind, if you don't have a script, and you should, but if you don't have a script, in the back of your mind, something should tell you, do something, change something up every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds, every 15 seconds. Use it to your advantage. Use it to make your video better. Use it to keep people watching, because that's what you want. YouTube wants you to succeed, and they tell you what they want. They tell you they want views and watch time. It used to be subscribers, but apparently now subscriptions don't matter. Who knew? But how many views you get? How long they watch. How long they watch is the hard part. And there's a little tip I can show you. If you have no editing, right? If you have no editing, no way of editing your video, and you're doing it on your cell phone, it works best if you have a cameraman, if you have someone else. Take the time to think about what you're going to do and press the pause button, right? If I'm standing in front of a car, and maybe I'll do this in one of the videos to show you exactly what I mean, but if I'm standing in front of the car talking about a car, and I pause the video, I have the camera person pause the video, then I move over to the other side of the car, get a different angle, make sure the lighting is good, and unpause the video, it looks like I had a cut, like if I was editing the video. And it changes the perspective, it changes what's going on, and it causes the mind to wake up. It's subtle, but it'll keep people watching. And you want views and you want watch time. The more watch time you get, the more YouTube will promote your video. And if YouTube promotes your video, it will make it easier for you to become YouTube famous. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, if you liked the video. Even if you hated the video, I want to hear from you. Ask one friend. Ask one friend to watch this video. That's all I ask. I would really appreciate it.